she's a bitch cause you're single, or you see's a cunt and 2 tits. I see a fanny acting a dick. She doesn't want to ride this blatant son. Her plan is to take you for one, and I can hardly blame her, so wake up you cunt. Hi great, I hear you're going with my mate, that's ace. Well I'm his friend, I just want to say I hate you to your face. No offence wench, your boy's my best friend. You're scoring 0 out of 10. I can tell your motive's no sex, it's more revenge against men. Hit the bench press. Before I go, less of the petulant stench. Let me just be clear, this is where our friendship ends. I've got 2 eyes on you, as often as I can spare them hen. Call me a cynic, but you seek attention. He's desperate, you need a telling. She's at it, fully superior, you check it. Should I tell him the truth? You think she's the bee's knees? Cool, we'll be here to pick up the pieces. I'll take the bins out, your vinegar titted boot. I'm no drinking today, I promised you I'll pull my finger out. Have a nice day, on my way to record that bends. I'm getting cabin fever in here, I want to talk to my friend. Plus I'm walking tomorrow in Muscle Girl, so why the fuck would I be so stupid to get drunk? I love her, but she pushes my buttons. I lay up late at night, pondering what she's asking of me and hate it cause she's right. Best day at work ever, led to another and I'm lettered. Guess it must just be the sea air or the hot weather. Drunk now, whatever, head back to Mickey Green's. Chill with him and drinks for a bladder. Find 2 cans in my bag I forgot about. Full steam ahead, sunstroke, go for walkabout. Wake up out a blackout in Hope Street with a broken phone, looking for someone to blame, but no one's home. Last deal fell through, which was a tragic setup, plus a disappointment. I was sitting on a classic record. Every day another inept artist is getting airplay, while a navel gaze in a stairway stalemate. Anyway, all I'm looking for this project is a little leadership. I need a lift. In return I'll give you anything your heart desires. All my time, my loyalty, a slice of my empire. Let's do this man, I'm ready. I'll just say one thing, don't let me down please. I'm not about for fucking around. Man, I'm ready to smash this whole UK scene to bitch. 2-month enthusiasm and leadership received these spliffs. No love lost, I totally respect your whole set. Don't sweat, I'll figure something out, of course bless. All I wanted was a seat, no 4 beds, plus a little bit of that drive that you apply to your own projects.